Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add an AI label on Instagram. If you are using Instagram and now you want to add AI label to your Instagram post, story or reel, so let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your Instagram app, and here you have to tap on plus icon. Then you have to select the video or reel you want to send, and then I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and then tap on next. And at this interface, you'll get the option of add AI label. You just have to tap on it to enable it. So that's how you can easily add AI label on Instagram. Now tap on share, and it will be shared to people's followers, and it will be shown at your Instagram ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.